Sing it.
From a lighter load on the planet
Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, east central Harrison County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Cobb County in north central Georgia, northern Douglas County in north central Georgia, central Fulton County in north central Georgia. Until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Temple, or 10 miles northeast of Carrollton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Powder Springs, Lithia Springs, Lost Mountain Park, Vinings, Brownsville, Fair Oaks, Abilene, Winston, Lake Val-du-Marche, Due West, Dallas, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Mableton, Whitewater Park, Kennesaw State University, Villa Rica, Douglasville, Jim R. Miller Park, and Marietta. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If you see light damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763